Konnichiwa minasan. Name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen XJ. Hi guys! So today, samahan niyo ako sa isang magical unboxing ko. Hindi, bale, I think medyo natagalan kami ng pag-upload for 2 weeks. Wala kaming upload kasi merong mga certain events na kailangan naming puntahan or asikasuhin, so medyo na-busy lang. So today is sakto kasi dumating na rin yung mga in-order ko from Amazon. So ano kaya to? So join me in unboxing this and reviewing this. So this video will be a unboxing and review of the things that I have bought in Amazon Japan. Join me. So the first item, maliit na parcel. So let's open this. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya to? Ta-da! Isang phone holder by Ulanzi. So, I think I'll put the price here. So, Ulanzi. Bumili kasi ako nito kasi yung phone holder namin na ginagamit is yung mumurahin lang tsaka plastic. So, gusto ko na solid naman yung paggamit ng phone. Kasi, FYI pala, lahat ng videos namin, kung hindi nyo napapansin, phone lang talaga gamit namin, iPhone. Tsaka, yun, mostly lahat ng production, hindi, lahat talaga ng produced videos namin, except nung drone shots, syempre drone ko yun, lahat ng cinematics or yung vlogs is using this phone. Our Jen's iPhone specifically. So, ayun. So, I decided to buy a solid phone holder by Ulanzi. So, let's unbox it. Oh, nice. Bakal. So, as you can see, it's all made out of with the name branding Ulanzi. So, it's made out of steel, I think. Bakal siya, matigas. And then, I chose this model kasi marami siyang 3.5 at ang tawag dito yung screw, or pwede sa tripod or any, pwede kang ganito orientation like this or like this, or pwede ka nang bumili ng mga adapters na same nung tawag nito, thread nito, 3.5, para makalagay ka ng extension arm or anything you want. Tsaka gusto ko rin dito kasi meron siyang hot shoe adapter. So pwede mo lagyan ng lights or microphone, tawag ng shotgun mics, yung mga road mic ninyo, or any horseshoe capable adapter or gadgets na may horseshoe. So, tsaka ikot natin ito. Adjustable siya, as you can see. So, where's my other phone? Let's try it. Ito, ita-try natin sa phone ko. So, lalagay natin to next dito. Mag-fit ba siya? Ayan, perfect. Ito pala is yung stand ng gimbal ko, yung DJI Osmo Mobile. So, yung maliit na tripod niya. So, as you can see, maganda siya. Tsaka, solid. Okay. Ganun. Shake. So, tibay talaga siya. Maganda siya. Tsaka, pwedeng run and gun. Okay siya pang run and gun, no? So ayun. Ito na yung Ulanzi phone holder. Bakal siya. Sulit. For me, it's very sulit siya kasi solid yung pagkakagawa. Tsaka, yun, matibay. So, hindi na kami bibili ng mga cheap phone holders kasi kung i-total namin yung lahat na nagastos din sa 100 shop dito, magsi-same price na siya nito. So, mas mabuti pang bumili ng ganito kaysa yung mga mura nga pero nasisira tsaka paulit-ulit kang bibili. So, same price lang. So, ito, pang one time. And then, next tayo, unboxing is yung main event. Yung malaking box. Ano to? Ano kaya to? So, let's open this. Fairness, galing pang Hong Kong. HGK. Bilis siya. In-order ko to around Thursday. So, nag-confirm yung order ko around Monday? Saturday, Friday, tapos delivered siya kanina. Kahit merong mga restrictions ngayon sa COVID, hindi masyado siyang bilis dati nung yung tagwa 1-day delivery lang, pero mabilis pa rin siya. And to think it's from Hong Kong. Meron siyang mga, hindi na siya yung bubble wrap ginamit. Malaking pa na talaga. Sabi muna natin to. Next natin na i-unbox is Boya BY M1DM. So, ito yung sa mga sikat na best of the yung mga murang lavalier mic pero maganda yung quality tsaka reviews niya sa YouTube. So, ito yung BY M1DM is isang version nito na dalawa yung microphone niya, lavalier mic niya, pero isa yung input papuntang phone mo. So, let's unbox this. Buksan ko na. Hirapan pa ako. Oy, ang ganda. Included in the package of the Boya M1, yan to? Boya BY M1DM. I always forget the name of this. Ito na yung whole lavalier BY M1DM lavalier mic by Boya. Ang included sa package sa set nito is yung lavalier mic as a whole, tapos yung clothing clips kung saan nyo i-clip yung mic, this, tapos yung cord niya mahaba, nag-hold siya ng isang velcro with the branding of Boya, and then yung power pack niya, this one, power pack. Sa power pack niya, meron siyang settings for kung saan nyo ikakabit yung lavalier mic nyo. Sa up part niya is, nakalagay is camera. Yung down part niya is for smartphones. Tsaka sa kabilang dulo is yung 3.5mm jack. In which pwede to diretso gamit sa cameras or cellphone. Depende na yung sa settings nyo. And by the way, yung sa power pack niya, upon unboxing nyo, wala siyang battery included na nakalagay diretso sa power pack. But dun sa cellophane na included dun siya, merong battery. Ang battery type using na ginagamit nito is LR44, yung parang pang-relo. Yung bilog. Sana yun? Ito. Yung bilog. This one. LR44 yung baterya niya. So, i-review natin yan mamaya. Try natin yung audio quality niya if okay ba or hindi. So, next item na unboxing. Yung malaking item. Ano kaya to? Ito na yung next item natin. Itong bubuksan. Medyo mabigat siya. So, let's open this. Ano kaya to? Paper. Ito yung item. boom arm siya para sa microphone. Condenser mic, or any microphone that you may use in vlogging, podcast, streaming, or kahit karaoke nyo kung anong trip nyo. Included in this package is yung anong tawag nito, nakalimutan ko yung pang piece to pang-prevent ng mga PPPs. Forgot the name of this screen. Yun, lalagyan na ng mic. Shock mount. First time ko to magkaroon ng ganito So, I'm not really that I do not really know well-versed sa mga parts ng audio. First time ko tong i-engage yung audio na part So, ito, shock mount nito for the microphone. Plastic siya. Pero maganda naman yung quality ng pagka-plastic niya. Hindi tulad ng mga friction. Velcro straps para pang-secure nung wires ng microphone nyo. And then, ito adapter to siya para sa microphone kung anong size yung ilalagay nyo. Pakikita ko mamaya. Yung boom arm itself. Ay, ito, sakto. Ito yung kailangan ko na microphone holder. Stand natin ito. Ay, nice. Maganda. Nice. For the price, maganda siya. I think I paid around 2,900 yen for this. So, mga 1,000. Tsaka maganda yung review nito Around 800 already bought this and had good reviews. Kasi yung ibang sellers din, merong benta ganito pero mababa yung rating nila. Maganda. So, assemble ko muna to tsaka try natin. So, ayan guys, na-assemble ko na yung arm. Na-remember ko na anong tawag dito. Pop filter siya. So, nag-filter siya yung mga P sounds at yung Peter Piper, yung mga burst ng P's, tsaka yung mga S's. So, yan, na-assemble ko na. As you can see, kinabit ko na rin yung mic ko is Sony anong tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko name PCV80U. So, this is a Sony microphone USB mic. Ito yung isa sa mga affordable mics by Sony na malaki rin yung review. So, ito yung kanya sa Amazon Japan. So, tingnan nyo. Marami yung good reviews ito, good stars. The price is around 3,000 yen. Matagal ko na itong ginagamit. Tsaka maganda siya for yun nga, voiceovers or run and gun na mic audio while shooting. So ito guys, ito na yung setup ko na yung whole system. So the audio that you are hearing right now is coming from this. This is a Sony PCV80U USB microphone by Sony. So let's try this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Yun yung with the pop filter. So let's try yung wala. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So yung mic, yung pop filter niya, narinig nyo kanina yung comparison. If yung wala yung pop filter, naririnig nyo talaga yung mga piece, yung popping ng piece. And then, for me, it's good. Tsaka may distansya na rin siya. So, natitrain na hindi ka masyado malapit sa mic. Tsaka maganda yung tunog. Tsaka, compare na rin natin yung audio quality nung Boya Lavalier mic. Tsaka nitong Sony setup with this boom arm. Tsaka yung pop filter. kung saan siya mas maganda pakinggan. At saka hindi ko na to i-edit, pure recording from both the mics, Sony and the Boya. Hi guys, so nalagay ko na yung Boya BY M1DM Lavalier microphone. So yung audio na naririnig nyo ngayon is coming from this Lavalier mic. Ang isang endpoint niya, sana yun? Naririnig nyo ako using the endpoint, direct yung pag-uusap natin. You can hear my voice directly harap ng Lavalier, yung mic, yung isang unit. So you can use both of them or isa, like this. And then try natin sa isang user din yung isang boses, different voice from me. So yung kay Jen. So maririnig nyo lang siya in 3, 2, 1.
Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jen. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake.
So ayan, narinig nyo siyang nag-greet lang. So you can distinguish kung ano yung quality ng Lavalier mic. Tsaka makakompare nyo rin yung sa ito, yung sa Boya, tsaka yung sa Sony. That's it. Review natin ulit yung mga na-unbox ko tsaka na-review. So, first is yung Ulanzi phone holder, steel. Good quality siya. Mura na. Tsaka matibay. Ito lang ha. Ito is tripod to ng DJI Osmo Mobile ko. So, next we unbox is the Boya M1D, ano to? Boya BY M1TM. Dual lavalier mic with one output for the phone or camera. So maganda to siya. You have heard the quality of the audio. And finally is yung boom arm. Ito, sulit rin to, isa sa mga pinakasulit na nabili ko sa Amazon. Meron na siyang included pop filter. Hindi to kasali tong microphone. So yan, boom arm, matibay. So, I think that's it. So, thank you for visiting and watching the video entirely. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Also, put a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you have more suggestions sa mga gagawin namin in the near future or next contents, just comment down below and see you on the next one. Bye. Peace.